Hey everybody, this is Larry, and I just wanted to give you an update on some of the things that are going on behind the scenes. We've just released our new versions of the machines, our HX Series 2. Right now we're working on a couple of things behind the scenes to make production even faster, as well as just more seamless. So what we've done is we've with all of our machining on the CNC machine, we've set up pallets where we're actually able to machine large volumes of parts at one time, as well as, so that kind of automates some things, as well as right now we're working on a turret lathe. This is old school technology here. This one, I think this lathe actually is a 1945 era lathe, but just because it's old doesn't mean it's not usable. This was gifted to us by a friend of mine whose grandfather used it, and they just didn't have a use for it anymore. So it's been sitting in a barn for a couple of years with a protective covering on it. And right now we're stripping the whole thing down, and we're basically wire wheeling everything, putting it back together, and we'll get it up and running. But this will make a lot of our parts a whole lot easier for us to manufacture, and you'll be seeing a lot of this in future videos. This is basically CNC without the CNC. So it's all manual control, but so much better than doing it, one part at a time over here on this lathe, or one tool at a time on this lathe here. And that lathe still kicks butt, but it'd be so much easier to set this up. Once we set this up here, then anybody could run it. So it makes it more automated on our part. If you come on over this way, we're going to go and take a look at our mills. We've got 3 mills to go out and 2 lathes that are going out on Monday. And once these are out, then we have all of our orders completely caught up. Right now, we're troubleshooting some issues we're having with the new boards, which is normal. This is all, development stuff, normal development stuff. Some of the things that we ran into for development that took so long was like literally 6 weeks of what we've been doing. The last 6 weeks have been waiting for parts to come in, making parts, and then some of the parts that did come in had to go out for powder coat, and everybody in manufacturing right now is just slammed with business. I got calls earlier last week about people being slammed in business and wanting to farm out work. We're not able to take in any work because we're doing all of this full time. So at that point, they're off finding other shops. What else? Some of the other stuff that we're working on. We're working on automating some of the inventory, making things so it's very seamless so everybody can help out along the way, instead of just having it in our accounting system. What else? I think that might be just about it. So it's a short update. David's got some behind the scenes that he's going to show you here, and I guess we'll just see you on the next update.